Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming the extension box model and its voltage/amperage ratings so you don't overload it. Once done, inspect connectors and cords for damage, replace frayed wires. Make sure to gather a screwdriver, wire stripper, multimeter, cable ties, and gloves. These save time and prevent mistakes. Turn power off at the source and label the incoming and outgoing cables. This preserves orientation. Finally, document your setup with a quick photo. You now open the box and keep screws and small parts in order so nothing gets lost. Once open, identify the terminal block, live, neutral, and ground. Strip each wire to about 8-10 mm, twist the strands and tin them if terminals demand it. This improves contact. Insert the live into L, neutral into N, and secure the ground to the chassis ground point. Tighten terminals firmly but avoid over-torquing. Loose screws cause heat and blown fuses. You should verify continuity and correct polarity with a multimeter before you restore power so you catch wiring mistakes early. Once tests pass, secure cables with strain relief, close the box, and restore power slowly while watching for smoke or tripped breakers. If an outlet doesn't work, first power down, then recheck terminal tightness, fuses, and measure for shorts between live and neutral. Replace any damaged components. Remember, a single loose screw is often the culprit. Tighten and retest.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.